Welcome to Daxue Talks, a show powered by Daxue Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Mark Burban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
What is the different types of insurance a foreign company in China absolutely needs?
Basic insurance company needs product liability insurance, business interruption insurance, which are related, and also liability insurance. So public liability insurance, employers liability insurance, and product liability insurance. For those companies providing services like your company, they may need professional liability insurance or professional indemnity insurance. This is the basic insurance coverage the company needs. Sometimes, for companies that have shareholder, they may need directors and officer liability to protect the manager of the companies.
In which industries do companies need to invest the most in insurance in China?
I think all the manufacturing, all industry present risk. Why? First of all, when you are a manufacturer, you invest in physical assets. Okay, so you have equipment that can cost a lot, and no matter about the risk of your activity, whether it's hazardous or not, it can cost a lot. For instance, mechanical industry is not very hazardous. However, equipment can cost 10 millions or hundreds of millions. If you are a chemical industry, which is more hazardous, physical assets, equipment can cost a lot as well. So all the company, as long as you have an investment of physical asset, need insurance. So what kind of insurance? Once again, it's property to protect the physical property, business interruption to protect the revenue of the company, to make sure that in case of major accident, the company will not go bankrupt. And another one, which is in need, is employers' liability insurance to cover labor accident. Because in China, especially in manufacturing activity, labor accidents occur very often, and the employer are requested by the employees to pay for medical expenses, any expenses related to labor accident.
What should people pay special attention to when signing an insurance contract in China?
What you have to be careful about is to make sure that all information disclosed to the insurance company is relevant. So basically, usually this kind of information is reported in the proposal form. So you have to make sure that the proposal form reflects the actual situation of the company in terms of assets. So some insured are correct. The physical description in terms of floor area, the construction, material used to build up the buildings, safety devices like fire extinguisher, sprinkler, fire hydrants, so are in place. If not, you should not declare that. So that's the most important, to make sure that you have to make sure that the insurer has a full description and accurate description of your activity. So that's the first thing. The second is to make sure that the sum insured are sufficient. So you have to have a very detailed and accurate assessment of your assets, the value of the cost of your assets. Of course, the equipment, but also the stocks, the building. And last one is to make sure you have a good understanding of what is excluded in your policy, what is not covered. You have to be aware of, in case of accident, what you should pay from your own pocket. So that's important. This is important to make sure to have a good understanding of exclusion.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@daxueconsulting.com.